I would like to take this moment to thank Sadali and his academy. Before I had got to learn about this academy, I was so interested in learning about Forex and I didn't know anything. I'm so glad that after the lessons that I've taken after Sadali's academy, I am a very much better person in Forex right now. I've learned most of the stuff that I needed to know. I've learned about support and resistance, marking trend lines and channels, marking up charts, different chart patterns. I really thank you, and I would wish all those out there who want to join the academy that they shouldn't hesitate to do so. They should do it wholeheartedly because they will never regret the things that they will learn from the academy. It's all they will ever need to make it through in Forex. I'm very glad that I met this academy, and may God continue to bless the leader of the academy abundantly because it's really our key to financial freedom. I thank you and everyone in the group for helping me make it through my journey in this group. Much love to everyone.